Hello everyone and namaste. I am Dr. Aditya Jagirdar, an Ayurvedic doctor, a yoga expert, and a lifestyle consultant. I have a question for you all. Is your body stiff when you wake up in the morning? It may be your back, neck, hands, or your legs. If yes, then this video is definitely for you. In this video, we will be going to see some yoga postures which will release the tension and stiffness from your body. So you just have to give your 10 minutes to get free from the stiffness of your body when you wake up in the morning. Just play this video and start doing the yoga postures with me. If anybody has any injury or operation or surgery done to any part of the body, then please consult a yoga expert or a doctor before performing any of these postures. So now we will be starting loosening exercises or Sharir Shithilikaran Vyayam. So first up and down. We have to move our neck up and down for 3 to 5 times. Then we have to rotate our neck from left to right and right to left direction 3 or 5 times from each side. While moving head up, inhale, and while bringing head down, exhale. After that, we have to rotate our shoulders. Try touching your both the elbows to each other 3 or 5 times from front side and reverse direction 3 to 5 times. After that, full hand rotations 3 to 5 times forward and 3 to 5 times reverse. Hip rotation, Kati Sanchalan, clockwise and anti-clockwise direction 5 times from each side. This will release the tension from your lower back. The most important part is the lower back or our waist. After that, we will be doing knee rotations, clockwise and anti-clockwise direction, 5 times from each side. Knees are also a crucial part of our body. Now ankle rotation from both the directions, 5 times we have to rotate our ankles. Now another leg, ankle rotation. This will also increase our concentration as we are balancing on our one leg. So now a little warm up. High knees, we have to do 10 times from each leg. So total 20 high knees. After completing 20 high knees, relax for a while for 20 seconds, do deep breathing. Now we have to do Ardha Chakrasana and Padhastasana alternatively. In Ardha Chakrasana, while going back, we have to inhale, and while coming down, we have to exhale. Place your hands at your back and bend to the back side. Now keeping your back straight, go down keeping your knees straight. Repeat these for 3 times. Inhale while going back, exhale while going down. Now Ardha Kati Chakrasana. We have to bend to each side of our body. When you will raise your left hand, you have to bend towards right. When you will raise your right hand, you have to bend towards your left. Always keep in mind, whenever you bend, exhale, and while coming back to normal, inhale. So repeat this for 3 times on each side. Now Kati Chakrasana. Place your right hand on left shoulder and left hand to right side of waist and turn from left side. Now place your left hand on right shoulder, right hand on left side of your waist and turn on right side. Repeat this for 3 times on each side. This will relax your hands as well as your spine. While turning back, you have to exhale. While coming forward, you have to inhale. You have to do this slowly, no jerky movements. Now Baddha Konasana or butterfly posture. Bring your both the heels together by bending your legs from your knees and do the butterfly strokes for 100 times. This will release the tension from your thighs and your groin region. Just keep in mind that we have to keep our back straight and sight in front. No neck or back should be bent. 100 strokes of butterfly, Baddha Konasana. After this, we will be doing Marjarasana or cat and cow pose. So take one hand distance from your elbows between your both the knees and same distance in front of your knees between your hands. Now while inhaling, head up and back down, and while exhaling, head down, chin to your chest and back up. Repeat this for 5 times. Exhale, head down, back up. Inhale, head up, back down. Exhale, head down, back up. Inhale, head up, back down. Exhale, head down, back up. Inhale, head up, back down. Exhale, head down, back up. Inhale, head up, back down. You will release the tension from your back and neck by doing this. Now we will be doing Jathar Parivartanasana or sleeping spinal twist. So keep your both the hands perpendicular to your body. Both hands at both sides. Bring your both the legs close to your hips by bending from knees and move your both the hips simultaneously on each side of your body and neck to the opposite direction of your knees. Exhale while bringing knees down and inhale while bringing knees up. Repeat this 10 times for each side. Remember that you don't have to move your legs from the ground. Now Setu Bandhasana. From same position, place your hands near your heels and raise your back and hips up and bring again down. So repeat this for 5 to 10 times as per your capacity. So persons who can hold their heels can also do this way. But please remember, you have to make a right angle, 90 degrees angle between your thighs and your calf region. So if you are not able to hold your ankle, then please move legs a little bit forward and place your hands on the floor itself. Do not hold the ankles. Now we will do Pavan Muktasana. First we will do with single leg. Bring your leg towards your stomach by bending it from knees and touch chin to your knee and press your leg with your hands on your abdomen. Exhale while pressing legs on your abdomen. Now with both the legs, Exhale and touch your chin to your knees. Now keep breathing slowly. After holding this for a while, release and start doing forward and backward roll. This will give a gentle massage to your back muscles. Try as much as forward as possible so that you can sit with your legs touching on the floor. If you are not able to sit properly on the floor by rolling, then you can just massage your back by rolling there itself without coming into the sitting posture. So now Supta Baddha Konasana, butterfly posture in sleeping position, supine position. You have to press both your heels on your abdomen. Now we will stretch our legs muscles, hamstring muscles by stretching, splitting our legs. Pull your legs towards the floor as much as possible, holding for a while, and then come back to normal in sleeping position, supine position. Now Hastapadangusthasana. Try holding your left leg with your left hand. Do the same with your right leg. And just remember not to bend your knees. If it is not possible for you to hold your thumb with your hand, then you can just pull your leg by touching your calf region, by pulling your calf region in this way. Do the same with your other leg. Hold the position for a while and then come back to normal after doing the same with other leg. So this was Hastapadangusthasana. This will also release the tension and stiffness from your legs. And finally, we have to relax our whole body. Point your toes outwards, palms facing upwards. Relax your neck by tilting it on a comfortable side and do Shavasana for a while. So if you have liked this video, then please share and subscribe to the channels to get updated whenever a new video is uploaded. Stay healthy, eat clean, stay fit. Thank you.